Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we've got a wild courtroom moment featuring a Karen who goes from zero to arrested in an instant. And yes, she's claiming to be a sovereign citizen. This video came recommended to me via email from a channel called Coffee and Donuts, link in the description. I highly suggest checking them out. After digging a bit, I found out exactly who she is and how she ended up here, beyond the usual antics. Her name is Joanna N. Adamski, and she's in court for refusing to get out of her car during a traffic stop, because in her view, the police have no jurisdiction over her. Of course, she was charged with obstruction of justice, and today's video picks up right after the judge ordered her taken into custody for contempt of court. Let's dive in.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone. Alex, I want you to record everything.
I'm politely asking you to stand up, please.
But
please
I
stand
don't
up.
want to.
I don't care if you want to or not, ma'am. I'm
Me
asking
neither.
you politely to stand up.
But I don't care what you want.
All right,
Leave me. Leave. Alex, please record everything. Record everything. Record everything I said.
We're recording. It's on body camera.
No. Leave me alone.
Ma'am,
please stand up.
Okay, once more.
No.
To this gentleman who is a lawyer for Hillsborough.
Stand her up. Let's go.
Ma'am, stand up.
You have no right to touch me.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
Place your hands behind your back. Ma'am, place
My
your hands
hand
behind.
hurts me.
Okay, can you place your arm
Leave
behind
me,
your back?
no, leave me alone. You have no right to arrest me. You have no right. No, I'm not this. I'm just visiting here. You got my papers from me. That's a crime. That's a crime. I'm just visiting here. You received.
Oscar 64993.
Ask them to leave me free. Ask them to leave me free. No, you didn't answer my question.
Please.
My basic free woman questions.
He's a judge, Karen, not there to answer your questions. His job is to oversee your case and, if necessary, hold you in contempt.
You haven't answered even one question. You are harassing me here. I came to visit and you harassing me, but asking your people who are working for the same company as you to put and handcuff me and harass me.
We'll see you at 1:30. 1:30. Yes, Your Honor.
Leave me alone. No. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Go ahead, sir.
No. I want a contract. Show me the contract that I'm giving you the consent.
When you're clear, I can bring the elevator up to you.
No. Who is? No. I'm not agreeing to that. I don't give you the agreement to that. You are representing a private company, all of you.
Let's walk her over. Let's walk her over.
You're representing the private company. Alex, take my document. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, traitor. Leave me alone. I want my papers with me. You're hurting me.
We're not hurting you.
You're hurting me. Leave me alone.
Grab the door, please.
I want my belongings.
We have them with you now.
Mel Stasha.
This is a crime.
Yes, we know it's a crime. It's called criminal contempt, and you're about to learn the hard way that you just committed it.
That's a crime. You're doing crime. I'm already in contact with special people. You're gonna get papers soon. About that. Show me the contract that you have power over me. Hello, do you have jurisdiction over me? You have no jurisdiction over me. Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I want jurisdiction over me. You can understand. I'm a free woman. No, I'm not mad. I'm a free woman.
No, you're fine. We'll take her.
I am a free woman.
Elevator up.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay. We're done talking.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. Show me you have jurisdiction over me.
Ma'am, you're making it worse.
No, I don't
Bring her in
care.
here for now.
Show me you have jurisdiction over me. You're a private company. Why you? Show me that you have jurisdiction over me.
Karen, ever since this video started, you haven't moved an inch without that officer's hand on your arm. Technically, you could say he's been demonstrating his jurisdiction over you for the past 4 minutes.
Leave me alone. Do you want to rape me here? What do you want from me?
Everything's being recorded, man.
We have body warrant.
Wow, do you want to rape me?
Certainly don't.
Wow, I don't want you to touch me.
Well,
I didn't give you
you've been
consent to
resisting
touch
since the second we
me.
told you
You're
you were
touching
placed on
my
arrest.
body.
The judge gave you
You are
three
touching.
opportunities.
No, he's
to
just a
civilize.
lawyer working for a private company.
Maybe three
He has no
opportunities to
jurisdiction
civilize.
over me. He has no jurisdiction over me, and neither you.
Okay.
Leave me alone. Don't touch me.
Did we search
Don't
her?
touch me.
Ma'am?
Stop touching me.
Did we search her?
Why are you touching me?
Why don't we go ahead and search
Why
her?
are you touching
I have
me?
to take the,
Why are you touching my body?
I can unclip this, so.
This is my handbag.
I
Leave my
understand.
It's not
handbag.
going anywhere.
This is my
It's staying with
private.
you- it's staying with your
No,
belongings,
this is my
ma'am.
private. You have no jurisdiction
It's
over
staying
me
with
to
your
do
belongings.
it. You have no jurisdiction to over me to do it.
Just
Don't touch me.
Just because you say it.
Don't touch my body. Why are you touching me?
Go ahead and search.
Why are you touching me?
Because we need to search you and send you to arrest.
Ma'am, do you have any
Okay?
sharp
No. Why?
objects?
Why?
Because you've been placed under arrest for contempt and resisting arrest.
No.
So,
No. To whom?
okay.
To whom?
Ma'am,
You have no
do you have
jurisdiction.
anything-
Show me paper that you have
Do you have
jurisdiction
anything
over
sharp
me.
on you? Anything
Show
sharp,
me that
prodding?
you have jurisdiction over me.
Okay.
Show me that you have personal jurisdiction over me. You have no rights to do it. Don't touch me.
Don't kick at her.
Don't kick.
I don't want her to touch me.
It doesn't matter.
She has no rights over
Yeah,
me.
absolutely
Leave
does.
me alone.
I guess we can tack on resisting arrest with violence to your contempt and obstruction charges. Because, Karen, you can't just start kicking an officer when things don't go your way.
Leave me alone. Take your hands from me.
Good. Search the bag.
Take your hands from me. Wow. You know that you work for company. He works for company and so-called Christopher, who calls himself a prosecutor. You work all of you for the same company. How one person, one company can judge another person who belongs to the same company? Think about that. He is not a judge. He is employee of Hillsborough. They gave him a judge title, but he is just a lawyer and works for the same company like you. Why he is giving orders to somebody who works for the same company? That's very unlawful. How you can do it? Leave my wallet. Leave my wallet. I have money in my wallet.
No one's taking your money.
No, I don't know. You're
Well,
a private
you know, because
company.
we're wearing body cameras, so everything's recorded.
You're taking all my rights as a woman, as a human, free woman. You're taking all my rights from me. Is everything being recorded? You're taking all my free woman with the existing soul, all my rights from me. A private company, Hillsborough company, registered on Dun and Bar Street. And
Stop.
bosses wanted me to be arrested. No, I can do what I want. I am a free woman.
There's consequences to your actions.
I am free
ma'am.
woman. Really?
You had three,
640 Romeo 57.
Really?
you had three
You have-
chances.
Show me the jurisdiction over me. You don't have
You said
jurisdiction
you're bringing
over
the
me.
elevator up.
You don't have personal jurisdiction over free woman. I just came to visit here. I just came to visit.
You know what they say, visit America for vacation, and you might end up spending years on probation. Or, in her case, they could just lock her up for a few months and then deport her back to wherever the free men and women of this land call home.
There are consequences to that too. Leave me alone. Everything has consequences. And you're working against free people. You're working against with the people. Stop
Yeah.
touching my hands. Stop touching my hands.
I'm not
You
touching
know,
your hands.
he wasn't answering my questions. He wasn't proving anything that he has jurisdiction over me. He didn't show me any contract, nothing. This is against my rights. As a free woman, against my rights. You know that. And you're doing everything against my rights too. Stop touching me. Did I allow you to touch me? Can you show me the contract stating that I'm allowing you, called police officer, to touch me?
You'll have all that paperwork when this is over.
You
You'll have all that paperwork
You
when
think
this is
that I
over.
have no rights? You think I have no rights? You think I have no rights because I'm free woman? You think I have no rights as corporation have rights over me? Oh, okay. Stop touching my hands.
No one's touching your hands.
You are touching my hands.
I'm not. I'm touching your bicep area.
No, this is my hand. This is my hand.
No one's touching your
Talk about
hand.
So you're touching my arm.
Okay.
Stop touching my arm. I don't want anybody who I don't know to touch my body.
Okay.
My body belongs to me, not to you. The same to you. My body belongs to me. Stop touching me.
Trust me, they're not touching you for fun. If you want police officers and court officials to stop putting their hands on you, start acting like an adult in court and drop the petulant, childish routine.
Stop touching me.
Stop.
Why? Just because a lawyer from Hillsborough told you to touch me? He has no personal jurisdiction over me. And you know that. He's just a lawyer. Same as the prosecutor working for the same company. Both of them work for the same company. And it's you as well, working for Hillsborough company. So Hillsborough
This
people...
is Princeton, just so you're aware. Okay.
I'm sorry,
It's okay.
Princeton.
It's all right.
Thank you.
No
You're
problem.
right. You're right. But he's from Hillsborough.
Okay.
He's not this
Girl,
Princeton.
for one. Why don't you come here? Take control over it. We're gonna get everything out.
Here's my stuff.
We will get your
No,
stuff.
I want everything to be with me.
Wait, what are you doing right
Princeton people.
now? You just said we would grab your stuff.
Relax, come on, let's go.
Is there room or
You
not?
are doing something which
Wanna
is
walk around?
against my rights. My
Want me to walk around or
free
good?
rights.
I'm good.
Stop touching me
Relax.
if I want.
He's good. Right.
You guys are all locked up?
Where's my handbag?
It's
Yeah.
right here. Everything's being audio and visually recorded.
Yeah,
okay?
we're good.
Relax.
You have no rights. Princeton people, correct. Princeton people. I'm not resisting anything. I just came to visit here by invitation. By invitation. I just came to visit the building.
Paperwork?
More paperwork.
Judge?
No, all of it in private. It's not.
Stop touching me. Why a lawyer of Hillsborough and police of Hillsborough is attempting to do wrong things against me? Why they touching my body? Why?
Nobody's doing
why
any
are
of
they?
that.
Why are they
No.
refusing my rights to be
Nobody's
free?
doing any of that.
Yes, you are.
You should have thought about that.
You are forcing me. You handcuffed me.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm
okay?
not.
You're
Because
under
of
arrest.
what? Show me the contract that I allow you to do it.
Not a problem, Karen. Because the moment you set foot on this land, you entered into a social contract with the city, county, state, and the United States. Specifically in New Jersey, police derive their jurisdiction and arrest powers from statutes 4A, 14-18, for A, 14-52, and 2A, 154-3. I don't know where you thought that didn't apply.
I don't know where you get that terminology.
Show me the contract that I allow you to do it.
Where's that terminology from?
Oh, corporation. Corporation works under a law, common law, a law of contracts. Corporation works under
Give me community policing for one monument drive.
Stop touching me. I don't want those people to touch me, for the record. I didn't allow them, I didn't give them the contract to have any rights over me and touch my body. They put something on my hands, they touching my body, and I didn't allow them to do it. They're corporations and they have no clear contract with me allowing them to do whatever they do to me.
Well, the judge is right there. Why don't you go ahead and explain how the police supposedly violated your rights as a free woman of the land? And then let us all know if the man who ordered them to act actually gives a care about your claims.
Can I just be heard for 1 minute? Rule 110.1, summary contempt in the presence of the court. A judge conducting a judicial proceeding may adjudicate contempt summarily without an order to show cause if the conduct is obstructed or if continued would obstruct the proceeding. The conduct occurred in the actual presence of the judge, was actually seen or heard by the judge. The character of the conduct or its continuation after appropriate warning unmistakably demonstrates its willfulness. Immediate adjudication is necessary to permit the proceeding to continue in an orderly and proper manner, and the judge has afforded the alleged contender an immediate opportunity to respond, all of which were filled here.
Can I see?
So the court has acted completely appropriately under Rule 110.1 with regard to how it proceeded. Now, I respect the court for bringing this defendant back up to the court again in order to see if we can advance this proceeding or however else the court's going to address it today. But this was a completely appropriate summary contempt proceeding.
Okay, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yes. Can I know what kind of law are you reading right now?
Rule 110.1.
No, what kind of law?
Rule 110.1.
Can
Ma'am,
I see? It's a black law?
it's Rule
It's a black
110.1.
law, it's for dead people.
Ma'am, I'm not going to answer your questions. You're again
You have
disturbing
to.
I don't have to.
Yes.
You have no right to
I
ask
am
me a
free
question.
woman. I
You
am
have-
free woman.
You have no right to ask
I
me
am
a question.
Am I missing something, or does free and arrested have completely different meanings in Karen's language?
My questions will only be through the court, Your Honor. I will not
Okay.
address or
This is-
engage this defendant directly.
With all the respect to you, you're not a judge, you an employee of Hillsborough Township Corporation.
We're not in Hillsborough. We're in Princeton. You don't even know what town you're in.
We know
Stop.
that, right? And
You
the
know-
same, you are working
For who?
for Princeton.
Okay, he
I'm
works
sorry,
for Hillsborough,
Princeton,
I work for
Princeton. I'm
Princeton,
saying
okay.
Hillsborough. Princeton.
All right.
Princeton. You're working for Princeton as well. You're being paid for every session here. So you work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. You work for Princeton Corporation, which is registered on Broad Street. And you, gentlemen, who are touching my body and you depriving me of my free woman rights, working for the same corporation. So what is going on here?
Okay, and I'm going to schedule you for a contempt hearing on the 21st of May at 2 p.m. I would advise you to...
I didn't contempt, and by visit here, I sent you the notification, you were notified. You were notified about the Okay, if I want to. If I want to, I'm a free woman.
From the building.
I am a free woman.
And you are...
I am a free woman. And I'm here by
She
visit,
says-
and you deprive me of my free woman rights.
Well, at least you got the depraved part right. We're nearly at the end of this display of delusion, but there's one last clip to watch to get the full context.
Oh, Dawson, is she facing additional charges, or do you want to release her today?
Before I, that's against the common
I gotta
law.
talk to the judge, I don't know what.
No, she's going to be released from this hearing. We could charge her with resisting or with obstruction.
Okay,
But
Who
we
are
can
you
also
charging?
exercise our discretion,
Who
Corporal
are you
Dawson. It's
charging?
going to be up to you if you want, how you want to handle
Okay,
that.
Christopher.
The judge is asking you to release her from the building today. I think that's the most appropriate course of conduct here.
Okay, who are you charging here? Joanna
Sheriff
Nikodon,
449,
capitalized letter? I'm not the person.
So the prosecutor asked the officer to exercise some discretion, but Karen just had to keep running her mouth, leaving the officer no choice but to enforce the law fully. She ended up charged with obstruction of justice, resisting arrest, and, of course, contempt of court. She was booked, charged, and released with a future court date. That wraps up today's video, and while we may not have updates later, be sure to check out Coffee and Donuts. If you like their content, hit subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, hit like. If not, hit dislike. But don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss my content.